G'day everyone, Bo from Polyair Springs here down in Sydney. We're just popped up to Spares Box Garage today. They're only nice and close to us. They've lent us a bit of space here with a nice setup to talk about a couple of our new wireless compressor kits. So we've got a really brand new one here to talk about. One that's been around for a little bit and we thought we'd just show a couple of cars that we have here. We've got an Amarok running this new WirelessAIR system. We've got a 200 series Land Cruiser promoting the WirelessONE as well. A couple of bits and pieces in the middle. We've got apps to talk about. We've got some under-car footage that we can show you. We're going to have a bit of a run through how the product works. What's good, what's better, what's best at the end of the day. So we'll go from there and we'll show you some cool things. Alright, so first up guys, we've got the WirelessONE. The WirelessONE went through an update a few months back. Main points was this manifold system was updated. The control got a little bit of an update as well. This is what we're running in the 200 series. More popular in likes of 200 series because of one pressure to both bags, hence WirelessONE. It's a single zone unit. We run a Y section, so air comes out of the compressor into the manifold and then splits out to both bags separately. So back onto the remote, we have up and down by 1 PSI at a time. We have 1, 2 and 3 presets on this particular unit. You can run boats, caravans, empty, horse floats, whatever with these presets. Onto the manifold has inbuilt pressure sensors. These pressure sensors monitor where the car has been positioned by you by the controller. If it's at 12 PSI, that's where it will stay. It will monitor itself. It will put air in and pull air out depending on conditions. The WirelessONE comes with a semi-light duty compressor. Generally at the end of the day, it's quite robust against the elements and water and dirt and dust. It's perfect to fill 2 airbags up. It doesn't take too long at all. It won't do tyres, but at the end of the day, it's absolutely perfect for the airbags. All the gear comes in the kit. We have the WirelessONE wiring loom. This thing just keeps getting better and better. This is battery direct. We don't need to worry about finding wiring harnesses and going to accessories, etc. in the likes of high-tech cars like 200 series and all that sort of stuff, where there's wires everywhere. We can run battery direct. So on that, we go back to the remote. The remote here is not actually been turned on, but at the end of the day, this is off at the moment. It has a sleep function. We would press the button and wake it up. That is the only way that the unit will start to run. It won't come on in the middle of the night. It will only get controlled if you wake this up and then it alerts at the unit that we're up and running. Just to bring it to a new level, the WirelessONE has a phone app, iOS and Android. This unit just purely mimics what is on the remote control. We have up and down by 1 PSI at a time. We have 1, 2 and 3 presets. You can preset, as I said earlier, the horse float, the caravan, the boat, or empty, whatever it might be. Back again, just update now, we've got this brand new WirelessAIR. This is the Gen 2. The WirelessAIR, once again, has been around for a long time, but this has just arrived in the country. It's a completely brand new remote control. This one is out of brand new box, etc. So once again, this one's not turned on. We will show you, we have an Amarok here fitted with this kit. The WirelessAIR, main differences over the WirelessONE is this is a dual zone system. This system controls left and right airbags independently. So at the end of the day, we can go up and down together, or I can arrow across, highlight the left-hand side and go up and down again just on the left-hand side only. The manifold systems is one of the key changes in these new kits. They have made these much more robust against longevity. These things are made in the USA, in Michigan. At the end of the day, it snows there. It's hard on the gear. They're putting salt down on roads and whatnot. Similar to us, we drive on beaches, salt water, all that sort of gear. We give our cars a hard time. This, once again, completely rotomolded plastic, no aluminium or anything on there anymore. Much more durable against the elements when it comes down to all that sort of gear. Once again, with the new WirelessAIR, like the WirelessONE, we have its own app. This app mimics the remote control. Once again, it's Bluetooth driven, it's super easy to pair. You can pair multiple devices. If it's a fleet car or something like that, you've got a couple of guys driving it or whatever, they can both have their phone paired to it. We have up and down by 1 PSI here in the middle. We have left and right. It even shows you, it will show you up the top where it's actually at
at the time when it's increasing or decreasing pressure. We have 3 presets down here as well. So I've got empty, caravan, and then I've just got a preset 3 for a bit of load in there as well. It can all be tweaked. Please don't tweak it on the fly. Keep the phone in the console or something like that, but at the end of the day, it is so easy to use. With the WirelessAIR comes standard with the HD compressor. Once again, we are running the full wiring loom system, which is the same as the WirelessONE, battery direct. No accessories, power to be found, it just wires straight up. This thing turns itself off. You have to wake this unit up for it to start functioning again. It won't come on in the middle of the night, it won't drain your battery. It is super easy. You can also wake it up with the phone as well. It is super easy.
Like the WirelessONE, the WirelessAIR has the easy mount. This is this big U-boltable bracket onto a chassis rail, etc. It comes standard with the HD compressor that the WirelessAIR already runs, and then the manifold bolted to it. It's just a matter of trying to slimline or streamline even the fitting times, all that sort of gear, and it just makes it a much more robust unit in some of these bigger cars. Great for your big dual cabs, US trucks and everything that are getting more popular these days. These compressors and controllers will maintain a minimum of 5 PSI. They will not allow you to go under our minimum 5 PSI. It's a great feature. A lot of guys do run around in their cars empty. They can go from 0 to hero. A lot of people aren't always constant, so the fact that it will not drop below our minimum 5 PSI is a great safety feature inbuilt into these units as well. Thanks for watching, guys. That's the WirelessONE and the WirelessAIR. Jump on polyair.com.au, hit up our dealer locator, or contact us for more details. Thanks again for watching. Cheers.